Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to show the full menu links in the Divi Menu module on mobile devices. By default, the module switches to a hamburger menu on tablets and phones, but for short or compact menus, you might want to keep the full menu visible instead. We'll show you how to do this using either the Divi Booster plugin or custom CSS. Let's get started. To show the full Divi Menu module links on mobile, you can use the Divi Booster plugin. Divi Booster adds a responsive Show Mobile Menu option directly into the Divi Menu module settings. This allows you to decide whether the full menu or the hamburger menu is displayed on desktop, tablet, and phone. It's a flexible option that simplifies customizing your menus right within the module. For more details on this feature, you can check out the accompanying post. If you haven't done so yet, the first step is to install and activate the Divi Booster plugin on your site. This plugin will give you access to the settings needed to customize your Divi Menu module. The Divi Booster plugin is a powerful tool that adds over 100 new features and customization options to the Divi theme. It allows you to modify layouts, modules, headers, and more, all without needing to write any code. If you'd like to explore this plugin further, check out the link to Divi Booster in the accompanying post. To get started, open the page, header, footer, or theme builder template that contains the Divi Menu module you want to update. Once you locate the menu module, click on it or select the gear icon to access its settings. In the Divi Menu module settings, navigate to the Design tab, then Layout, and look for the Show Mobile Menu option. Disable the values for tablet and phone. This will make the menu module display the full menu links on smaller screens instead of switching to the hamburger menu. For desktop, the Divi Menu module typically already shows the full menu links, so you can usually leave the desktop value disabled. However, if you'd like a different configuration, the responsive settings allow you to adjust desktop, tablet, and phone options independently to suit your layout needs. Once you've made your changes, go ahead and save the module. Then, preview the page on tablet and phone screen sizes. You should now see the full menu links displayed, replacing the hamburger menu on smaller screens. This ensures a more seamless navigation experience for your visitors. If you've successfully configured the Divi Booster feature and your menu is displaying as you want on mobile, you might want to explore more ways to enhance your menu module. There's a full collection of Divi Menu tutorials linked in the accompanying post, offering plenty of ideas to take your design even further. Another way to show the full Divi Menu module links on mobile is by using CSS. This approach is ideal if you only need a simple, fixed adjustment for one menu module. It's lightweight and effective, but keep in mind that it doesn't provide the responsive, per-device settings that Divi Booster offers. To start, open the Divi Menu module that you want to modify. This will bring up the settings where you can make the necessary changes. In the settings for your Divi Menu module, navigate to the Advanced tab, then go to the Custom CSS section and locate the Freeform CSS box. Here, you'll need to paste a specific CSS snippet that adjusts the display settings for menus and hides the hamburger menu on smaller screens. Divi will automatically apply the CSS to the current module by replacing the placeholder selector with the actual module's selector. You'll find the exact CSS code in the accompanying post, so be sure to reference that for details. Once you've added the changes, save the module and preview your page on tablet and phone screen sizes. You should now see the full menu links displayed on smaller screens, replacing the hamburger menu. This ensures a smoother and more accessible navigation experience for mobile users. If you've applied the CSS and your menu is displaying as intended on mobile, you might want to explore additional ways to enhance your menu module. There's a full collection of Divi Menu tutorials linked in the accompanying post, offering a variety of ideas to further refine your design. In conclusion, showing the full Divi menu module links on mobile can be a great option for short menus, footer navigation, or compact layouts where a hamburger menu might feel unnecessary. Divi Booster offers a more flexible solution by integrating the controls directly into the module settings, while CSS provides a quick, lightweight alternative for one-off changes. If you have ideas for related menu module options or setups you'd like to see, feel free to share them. We'd love to hear about your projects.